We talked a little bit about AI, and I want to bring up the way we work with partners or extensions in Media Composer. I'm going to go to the Quicture panel inside of Media Composer. So any of these panels, when you select them, you'll see that they would just pop up inside of Media Composer, and they're going to access the functionality of the partner who's built the application. So if I go and highlight Susan right here, it already processed the interview. And the cool thing about Quicture is it takes the transcription to the next level. We talked about, finding emotion or being able to search for topics. What you'll see here is Susan's interview is, if I bring it up in here, if I click in summary, this is giving me a summary of her over hour-long interview. It was like an hour and a half. If I open up the transcript portion, it actually breaks down by topic the process of selecting the best takes, technical approach to assembling montage scenes, challenges in editing specific scenes, and hacks. And if you point to the left side here, it tells you different beat scores. So the biographical value is, pretty high with 7. Emotionally, maybe she, had a little inflection when she was speaking. Was she funny? Yeah, on a level 3. And if I open up the challenges part where she's talking about the scene with Gene Smart and Carol Burnett, here's the breakdown of that scene. You now can go in and click on the time codes.
But it was a fun and amazing scene because they had such respect for each other in the scene.
So at that point, you can then take that scene and you can say, all right, I want an auto edit from that. I only want Susan, so take away me, who is doing the interviewer, and the crew that may have been talking in the background. And it's telling me that there is 1 hour and 19 minutes of good editable footage of her. But I want a 10-minute cut down auto edit of her interview. It's now going to take the best of everything and cut a sequence for me. Here it is. And you'll see that it actually gives me a breakdown of it. It's actually named Susan QE, so Quicture Edit number 1. Her introduction, her challenges, the art of montage. So you can still see what is in her interview. But if I close that, you'll see this is just over 10 minutes of her talking. And it's even telling me the introduction of Susan. There are markers telling me about which the challenges are to the montage. There actually is a portion of this that says give a guided edit. And if you guided edit, you can actually give it, ask questions about the footage, give notes, and say, give me a 5-minute edit starting off with a funny story leading into something else.